Okay, so let's take a look at Ren here. Don't know where this. Yeah, Ren. Okay, let's take a look at it. Now, we were up here somewhere, and and I said I think it can go quite a bit higher, and I was kind of wrong on that at this point. I remember talking to OJ about it. No, I think OJ said that he finds it hard to believe that Ren can go a lot higher because of the price of a node on different things. So far he was right, to be fair. Um, I do think longer term, I think that this can go higher. It just needs to work itself out a bit. I mean, at this point, the action is not very bullish. It's just chopping about. But if we do get a move down, into the bottom end of this sort of range, I mean, I think it would be a fantastic buying opportunity, for another leg higher. Liquidity has not even been taken in this wick yet. You can see it's quite a large wick. There's 30% wick up here, and liquidity has not really been taken. It very slightly, but I just think in the future price should come back up there. Let me just see this. We're having an inside bar. We're having an inside candle here. It'll be very important. This is probably not going to change this month. We're just having a base and a consolidation phase. For me, mm, you're probably not, probably, unless you're accumulating for a bigger move or something. But uh, I don't really see the reason for trading Ren right now. What I would like to see on a new 3 month candle is for us to open up and have a new uh, candle to the upside like this. It could potentially have a very, very good upside. There's quite a lot of liquidity up here. What is this actually? Is it the same as what I looked at? No, see 70%. You can see a 70% bounce to get back to the highs here. This is huge. This was a bit of a test pump, in hindsight, and then we got the real move. So I don't really think that this move is done. There's at least on a new quarter, right? What's that? That's 2 weeks time, less than 2 weeks time. I think Ren then will be the time to start buying Ren, even for a bounce back up into this liquidity. You can see the volume here. Volume is rising in an uptrend. That's what you want to see. Rising volume in a rising market is bullish. Basically, I think there's patience. I think we need patience on Ren, but there will be a very good opportunity soon, maybe at the start of April.